Get him.
Man, it is really freaking snowing now. Well, welcome to this hunt. We've been waiting for this for a long time. I've got Matt Vachi, Phil Boyles with me. We came up north up here, and man, this is awesome. We waited until about shooting time to get on and find a little place. We found an awesome little cut back here. Doesn't it feel like there's anyone around for like miles and miles? Right. It's amazing. This is full immersion hunting right here. Right here, guys.
There's one in the water. Someone kill it. Root. There's one in the water. Kill it. I shot one. What do we got down? Two.
Little ringer. They came and just plopped right down in our decoys. It's nice to be on the board.
Yeah.
Bad thing about this spot is not having the visual of them coming up that little alley.
Yeah, all of a sudden they're just here.
Yeah. We had a massive Arctic blast come in, and it's supposed to snow 1 to 3 inches here. What time is it, guys? Anyone know about what time it is?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. It's supposed to start anytime. The snow is supposed to start anytime, so it's going to be some kind of fun hunt. We got the blind brushed fairly. Tell me what I got.
Get him. Nice shooting, boys. Georgie! Root! Root! No, I didn't shoot. It was you. Yeah, it was you and Elliot.
Well, we had 2 pintails drop in. Unfortunately, they were pintail hens, but we're not in the position today to, we're just shooting whatever comes in. So, and they did it perfectly. You couldn't ask for any better decoys than that. So I wish that these were drakes, but
Still pretty burned.
right. I mean, these things just finished perfectly, and then we just had 2 green wings bomb in that I whiffed on. So I am 2 for 4. That was nice. That was nice.
When they were right here,
Yep.
that was the shot.
We're a little worried we need a little more top cover on the blind, but man, those pintails were, that was perfection. Well, we got to be careful with pintails now for sure. We are sitting with 4 now.
These pintails are all yours, man.
This place is awesome. I'm going to show you a lot more of this over the next few hunts. We got an Airbnb up here. You're there. Here they come. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Oh, they're going to back us. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh my gosh. It came right over our heads.
Get him. I got the Drake. Root!
This is Ruby, Phil's dog. Ruby is actually a Flatlander kennel dog as well, just like Georgie. She is a daughter of Jet, which was Flash's predecessor. Died in a terrible stomach flip incident, but she's a wonderful little dog. Some of you may even have donated to help her out. because she had a major injury as a little pup, and a lot of you helped. So here she is out doing it.
Good girl.
So that was great. I mean, we're not being picky. We had 3 shovelers, 1 nice little drake come in, and we're shooting. You know, this is a nice little drake for this time of year.
Good girl, Drew. Hold your bird. Hold your bird. Hold your bird.
So now we each have 2. Or no, you have 1?
I still have 1. Yeah.
2, 1, 2. All right.
We're up to 5. The wind's picking up a little bit.
That's not bad for...
Look, that's Hollywood right there.
Yeah, that's not bad for this time of year. I mean, we just don't get gorgeous shovelers, especially early. And for this time of year, that is not a bad bird at all.
I don't know if it's the East Coast of me, but I'm like, I don't mind a shoveler at all.
Yeah,
I'm like, I don't mind it at all.
I don't mind a nice little drake. You kill that thing, man. Man, look at those patches. Hold up that wing patch on that guy. That is a nice breeze coming in here. Go ahead. Ooh. Georgie!
I think you hit that other one, but not very well.
You shoot, Phil?
No, I did not.
Did you shoot at this one? Yeah. Do you think you killed it?
Dog held.
I don't know. That was close.
Okay.
I'll
You can have it.
I'll have it.
Yeah, they'll give us each
Okay.
2. Well, I don't know. You guys cool with? I mean, that kind of shot. Either you shoot that or they're gone.
No, heck yeah, that's
We stoned them. Well, we now have 6. Each have 2.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that kind of shot.
Yeah.
Oh, they were hot. That wasn't like, oh man, they're zooming past.
I know. I just want them.
I know. They were still like that was slow.
Yeah.
They had hit the brakes. They were like, oh, we're in.
Yeah. I think we're just gonna chip away on them like this
I think so.
all day. It's very possible we end with our limit. Come on, Jeebles. Come on, Jeep. Come on, girl. Hand. Oh, nice little gaddy.
Nice.
And we're at 6. All right, Ruby's up on the next one. Come on. Ruby is up on the next one. Here comes the snow. Nothing like a snow hunt in October. Those are fairly rare. That's annoying. Well, we've got a problem here. We gotta get... When you go by, will you make sure that GoPro's flashing red?
Yeah.
And then look at the lens on the front. Make sure it doesn't have like some big smudge on it or something. We've just had a mallard drake drop right there. How annoying is that? We've got our decoys completely white now. And it's snowing, and I don't know how long it'll take for him to get white again, but we're gonna find out. In the meantime, I'll give you a better look at what this hole looks like. And these FA gloves, gosh, I love these gloves. Show you what this hole looks like. It's a long line here. We came off the channel. It's a long line here. Whoa, this is about as deep as I want to be. That I can promise you. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh man.
You okay?
I'm okay. I'm just surprised I didn't feel any water come in.
Okay.
Cause that felt like I was gonna, yeah, I feel a little bit. Yeah, I took a little water. Can feel it running down my leg. That's what I want. Ooh. Gosh dang. Here comes some. Here comes 2. Here they come. What up, Lil G?
Yeah.
Hey, right here. Get on. Well, Doug just came landing our decoys. There we go.
All right, good.
Man, it is really freaking snowing now.
What kind of duck was that?
Teal. My gosh, it is snowing. A lot of snowing. Lots of it. Our decoys are beyond repair now. I'm sure those are really gonna look realistic.
Like, why are those ducks so dumb?
Well, we got as many of the decoys out as we could. We can't cross over there because it's too deep. So we're just trying to do spinner and that splasher while we have some soup, because the snowy decoys aren't gonna do nothing for us. So we got the cook down there making some soup.
Oh, it smells good.
We may or may not get cancer from it and suck it right out of the can. We'll see.
No cancer.
On a day like today, I think you just gotta,
Just worth it.
yeah, yep. So it's been a challenge today, but really fun.
Yeah.
Really fun. These conditions are awesome. What do you think, G? How you doing, though, G? You loving it or you cold? We had our soup. We ended up with the 9. I'll try to get pictures of those later for you guys. Fun, interesting, challenging hunt. And we're out of here.